Howdy, I'm Audrey Nolan. I'm a graduating construction science student, a sorority member, and a future land and property development graduate student. This was a major that I was kind of scared to go into because I knew it was going to be challenging. It's also, as a female, you don't really usually see a female on the job site day to day, and I thought that that was so interesting for me. I would say the biggest misconception about construction science is that you have to be a project engineer, a project manager, or a superintendent. There are so many different realms in construction science. You could go into oil and gas, you can be in safety, you could be in communications, and I think as for myself, I never really wanted to be a project manager or a superintendent, but I wanted to go more on the development route, and so that's why I'm doing my master's in land and property development, because it correlates so much with what I've learned in construction science for the past 4 years. It's just a perfect master's to step into, to go more into the real estate, more into development and urban planning. I interned at Harvey Cleary in Austin, Texas. They are a general contracting firm. And with them, I worked on the interior side, and I just learned a lot about the paperwork and the business side of construction. And I think after college, it just showed me, what do I really want to do? What is my passion? Do I enjoy being in a general contracting firm, or would I rather go into development or real estate? And so I think the internship program that we have in construction science here is amazing, and it opens eyes to many students to see what really is your passion.